Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can disable email notification on OnlyFans. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser, here you will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type OnlyFans and press enter in your keyboard, and this is the search result that is shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result and OnlyFans will be opened. This is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in successfully. So in the left hand side, in the bottom of the left hand side, just above the new post, there is an more option. You have to click on the more option and a pop-up box is open, and in the middle of the pop-up box there is an settings option. Just click on the setting options, and as you can see here, settings is open, and in the bottom of the settings there is a notifications option. You just have to click on the notification option, and in the right hand side, notification box is open, and in the second option there is email notification. Just click on it. I have previously turned on or enabled the email notification, so I'll just click on this button that is on the right hand side of the email notification. I'll click it and the email notification has been disabled. So this is how you can easily disable email notification on OnlyFans. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.